You are such a dork.
Hey!
Move! Your tushy ain't royal. Hey, stop! No shame, huh?
Leave it.
The invisible trap card in the living room.
La perra loca. Miren la cara que tienen.
I try not to.
Really thought the fire was a spicy orange snack.
Good boy.
வீட்ல நாங்க அடைச்சு வச்சிட்டோம். அது எங்க போய் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கோம் பாருங்க.
Huracán Chile, América y el mundo.
Callie! Callie. Means guaranteeing their safety 24/7, even with those 9 lives.
Over here now. That's gonna cut.
Oi, oi, what have I told you? Francis, stop bullying your father. I didn't cross this.
Elusive place, and this is the rest time.
Come here. Come here. Akira, come here. Akira, come here.
Compared to others his size, he's undoubtedly the boss.
Algo detectó mi perrito Cap.
People.
Father, help.
Let me assess the situation. Oh, no real danger. Handle it yourself. Bye. This orange cat should probably appreciate his buddy who cares about his picky diet.
Roll over. You got it. No. Come on, lay down.
One urgent appointment for Buddy. They'll remind you with some mischief. These dudes can really cause chaos anywhere within their reach.
Don't you step on the flower.
Hoppa, wat? Nu komt ze.
Guys, it's so disconcerting sometimes.
Whose goddamn white baby is that?
Nonsense! What did you do?
In the complete opposite direction because he sees it in the mirror.
What?
Put it up again. Jump!
Away, they still know how to train and show off their flexible neck.
Come on.
Someone please tell this guy that he looks more hilarious and goofy than threatening.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
Coco, the door's open. Just walk in.
Yeah. Mundur. Tutuan tanganmu kuy.
Out of her throat, and we're not even done.
Show us your belly. Okay, okay. Belly roll.
Get it!
These buddies surely helped you relieve some stress, right? Don't miss the next video.
Oh no, it all went wrong!
I'm sorry. Sorry.
Becoming each other's soulmates first.
Duke, we're done.
He's not a cat anymore, he's a catfish now.
That's your leg.
Three middle managers aggressively fighting over one. Me. He is literally secure.
Poor guy, he just wants to say hi.
Oh my god.
Hey boy, what's up?
The world's best hide-and-seek player versus...
Poor Uncle Petey. Schmo, stop eating Uncle Petey.
Go potty? Is it cold out there? You wanna go outside? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
Lead the way, dude.
Nope.
Умничка.
Not afraid of strong.
If you want birthday belly rubs? Okay, show us your belly. Okay.
If it could, cats would have destroyed the world. Litter is definitely meant for you, but definitely not for whatever this is.
I wanna kill my mom! What the fuck? I wanna kill my dad!
Please, don't knock that down. You're such a good kitty. You have self-discipline.
What?
Put it up again.
And good girl. Down. 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 Good girl. Stand.
Oh my god.
Her tail is just really cool.
Okay, don't eat her. Steve, please shut that door.
Lie down. Lie down. Stay.
Everything talking about you, and that when I get wet.
Reload.
That's why we try.
Wow, this nice ball. This is such a nice.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. It was the last nail.
It was an accident.
Close to some broom. It's not about witches, they just want to get petted. Unless you want to provoke these guys and their massive egos.
Tag a friend who needs.
My love.
Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
One time, and now he's obsessed with it. That's what he's looking at.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredible.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
You go outside?
The veteran bullying the newbie here. It doesn't look good at all, buddy. Like this timid yet brave buddy.
Oh!
Look at her.
Exactly as clean as your reputation suggests.
Oh my gosh. He's actually stalking him.
Oh! Little furball trying to become a snowball.
It's so funny. So look, I come in here, so we're walking next to each other, then she bangs me a couple times, goes behind, and then...
Come here. Toby, come here.
Hey!
Lily, who has been a bad girl? Who has been a bad girl?
Don't make me look bad. Can I get Paul, please?
Lucky.
He's a good boy. Listen to him snarl.
Outside? Yeah, you've been doing that a lot lately.
Let me have a small bite.
You're insane.
What? They said this trick helps lose weight without exercise.
You have to take it back. You have to take it back. Yes.
Okay. I'm confused.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Quả này nó Bát thương ơn.
Buttercup.
Little, small bite jet.
No.
Think about. Roba media y no sé si fuiste el que dañó la cama. Y tú también.
I thought it was roast turkey, but it turned out to be a stuck, chunky cat. What are you looking at? I'm sleeping like this because I feel safe.
Yeah.
Stop. No.
It's taken him 2 years to figure that out. 2 years.
Bro, hit that subscribe button. We are officially best friends now.
Joey! Can't even.
За замыкалку.
Look at those.
Dishes? I hope so.
Okay. Give a cat something that moves to sit with.
Leave them. Leave them. Say no.
Muito agressivo, perigo para as pessoas, principalmente para.
He successfully completed his transition into a seal.
Deita, mãe, deita, mãe, deita.
That's my spot. Oh shit.
Just started.
Essa voz atrás, Brunet. Jetzt mal Junior, was think.
Venga, vale, ya está.
You're still the coolest person you know.
We just sat on the ground and pee now.
Wait, is it?
Where's Dad? Find him.
Oh!
This.
She got it, that's why!
As far as he can go.
Come on, Jeff. Come on, big jump. Come on. Oh, no. Come on. Come on, no.